Hi guys, I'm showing you this initial beaded bracelets for men. These are the 8mm tiger eye lava rock stone, handmade for men's. Later obsidian bracelet, stress for relief from yoga beads or bracelets. So this is really a nice gift for a man, the one to wear this. And this is called like this lava rock stone can absorb your favorite essential oils well. Just drop a little of your favorite essential oil on the lava bracelet and the fragrance will last. So they are nice in that. And then these 8mm initial Obsidian bracelet can fit well. You can see like the thread, you can really just stretch it and this will work. And this is like a tiger eye stone, so considered to be a nice one. So it fits very well and looks really nice. So it's called to be a powerful protective stone that helps to eliminate negative energies like the stress, fatigue and turbidity. But it all depends on your understanding. But I will say this looks really pretty and on the hands, and yeah, it looks like nice bracelets. Nice ones.